Hi again everyone, welcome back to our Davinci User Guide video series. Today, I will be showing you the Davinci Globo device. The Globo is an indoor wireless motion detector with a battery life of up to 5 years. The device has a communication range of up to 1500 meters from the panel in free space conditions, meaning there are no walls or obstacles between the panel and the device. However, if walls or other obstructions are present, the communication range will be reduced. Therefore, it is important to check the device's signal strength at the installation site. The Globo can detect intruders within a range of up to 12 meters. It uses 4 vertical detection beams and 9 horizontal detection beams, providing coverage across a 90-degree angle. The recommended installation height for this PIR device is 2.4 meters. To ensure optimal performance, avoid installing the device near metal objects or other radio frequency devices, as these may affect its communication and detection capabilities. This detector is able to discriminate the presence of domestic animals weighing no more than 20 kilograms and not taller than 50 centimeters. Adding Globo to Lisa panel. I'll show you how to add and pair a device with your Davinci control panel using the Davinci app. Before we begin, make sure you have installer privileges enabled and that the device is located within radio communication range of the control panel. Let's get started. First, open the Davinci app and select the Devices tab. Next, tap Add Device. You'll now need to assign a name to the device. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later, such as Hallway PIR or Garage Sensor. Now enter the device serial number found on the product label. Or, alternatively, you can tap the scan icon and use your phone's camera to capture the code automatically. Once that's done, select the room where the device will be installed and tap Add. You'll notice that a countdown timer starts. During this time, we'll power on the device. To do this, remove the battery tab from the detector. As soon as the device powers up, the LED will begin flashing to indicate that it is active and attempting to connect to the control panel. After a few moments, the detector should appear in the device list within the Davinci app. This confirms that the pairing process has been successful. The next step is important. Place the detector onto the mounting bracket and ensure the temper is properly closed. This allows the detector to begin its automatic calibration process. If the device does not connect successfully, don't worry. The detector only transmits its connection request for a short period after it's powered on. If pairing fails, simply turn the detector off for about 5 seconds, power it back on, and repeat the pairing process. That's it. Your device is now added and ready to use. Now that your detector has been successfully added to the system, let's take a look at the available operating settings and learn how to customize the detector's behavior. To access the settings, select the detector from the device list, then tap the settings icon. Let's go through each option. First, you'll see device name. This is the name displayed on the device list and within system notifications. You can enter a custom name of up to 24 characters to help identify the detector. Next is room. This setting assigns the detector to a virtual room within the system. The room name will also appear in notifications. Keep in mind that changing the assigned room requires administrator privileges. Now let's look at method of alarm. This setting determines how the detector responds when the system is armed. With instantaneous mode selected, any detection immediately triggers an alarm. With delayed mode, the detector waits for a program entry or exit delay before triggering an alarm. This is useful for entry points where users need time to disarm the system. The third option is continued mode. In this mode, the detector follows any delays already triggered by another device. However, if it activates on its own, it will trigger an alarm immediately. Next is stay mode armed. This allows the detector to participate in night mode or stay mode operation. For example, you can arm perimeter protection while still allowing movement inside selected areas of the building. Separate entry and exit delays can also be configured specifically for stay mode. Moving on to always active. When enabled, the detector remains armed at all times and will continue to report alarm conditions to the control panel regardless of the system status. Next, we have sensitivity. This setting adjusts the infrared motion detection sensitivity. You can choose between high, normal, or low depending on the environment and application requirements. Below that is time inhibition. This determines how long the detector ignores additional activations after detecting movement. Available options include no inhibition, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. The Enable Mask option allows you to enable or disable the anti-masking sensor. When enabled, the detector can identify attempts to block or cover the sensing area. Next are the siren options. Sound on alarm activates the detector's siren whenever an alarm occurs while the system is armed. Siren on with lid open activates a siren if the detector enters a tamper condition, such as unauthorized opening or removal. Active siren and masking activates the siren if a masking event is detected. The next setting is number of alarms for self-exclusion. This feature automatically excludes the detector after a selected number of alarm events during a single arm period. You can choose disabled or set the threshold to 3, 6, 9, 12, or 15 alarms. The detector will automatically be restored the next time the system is armed. Next is the warning lamp setting. This controls the detector's LED indication. You can choose to display the LED during testing only or keep it active at all times. If your system uses a repeater, you can configure it under repeater settings. Enable repeater communication and select the repeater number associated with the detector. Next is verification of radio connection. When enabled, the system generates an alarm if communication with the control panel is lost. If disabled, communication failures are logged but do not generate an alarm event. The ping interval settings defines how often the detector sends a supervision signal to the control panel when there are no alarm activations. The number of pings expected determines how many missed communication attempts are allowed before a radio failure is reported. The Davinci app also provides built-in testing tools. The radio signal intensity test allows you to verify communication quality between the detector and the control panel. After pressing start, the detector flashes its LED between 1 and 4 times to indicate signal strength. The detection test allows you to verify motion detection performance. When started, the LED remains illuminated and turns off each time a valid movement is detected, confirming successful operation. Finally, we have the exclude options. When set to no, the detector operates normally and transmits all alarms and events. With total exclusion, the detector is completely ignored by the system and no notifications are generated. With tamper only, the system ignores tamper notifications while continuing to process all other detector events. If you ever need to remove the detector from the system, simply select Remove Device. This will disconnect the detector from the control panel, remove it from the Davinci app, and delete all associated settings. That completes the overview of the detector operating settings. Adjust these options as needed to match the requirement of your installation. Additionally, we also have the Globo Cam. The Globo PIR cam does everything the standard Globo does, but it also captures photos when an alarm occurs. The images are sent to the Davinci app, allowing the user or the monitoring center to verify whether the alarm is genuine. It can also take photos on demand through the app and includes infrared illumination for nighttime image capture. That concludes our overview of the Davinci Globo wireless motion detector. In the next video, we will take a closer look at another Davinci device and explore its features, installation requirements, and configuration options. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next videos.